Ang topic natin today is how to clean your jewelries, tarnished jewelries, from this to black. Yeah. And the video, I always say baking soda, I'm sorry. I mean, I always say baking powder, but actually it's baking soda, okay? So, keep on watching. Hello everyone. So this video is about tutorial on how to clean your silver and accessories and using simple ingredients that you can find at home. And kita nyo naman, it's really dark, and all you need is cup, foil, and baking powder and hot water. So what we do is the foil put inside, wait, like this, yeah, and put some baking powder, about 2 tablespoons. And you put hot water. The hot water is freshly boiled. It's really boiling, okay? And yeah, it's already inside. And then put the silver here. Yeah. But wait, because my cup is very small, so I'm gonna use this one rather. Okay, then let's transfer. Yeah, I put more of the baking powder since this bracelet is super black. Kita nyo naman, as you can see, it's really black. And I just boiled my water, and then I'm gonna put it. Yeah, as you can see, there's bubbles, and there's the smell is different, like metal, stinky, you know, from the dirt and from the sweats. So look, wait, ito ba? Ayan po siya. So the water eventually will become black or brown from the dirty bracelet. You can also use this trick for your stainless utensils, and then it's really helpful. Yeah. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Here it is, turning brown. The water is still brown. Let's check. Let's check the bracelet. See? Then let's add salt if it's the tarnish is too much. Okay. And you can see there's bubbles. So let's add more water. Let's wait. There's I cannot tell the smell. It smell metal. Yeah. Look at that. It's dirty. And after a few minutes, eto na nga po siya, di ba? Sobrang init kasi kanina napaso ako. So, kita nyo naman, di ba? Super, ano na siya, white compared kanina na it's really tarnished. Yan. So, this is my hubby's bracelet. Ano kasi siya, he's acidic, that's why. So, if the tarnish is it's hard to take it out, then add more salt, okay? But if it's okay, then just add what's that? Baking soda. So, ganun lang po. Hope you learned a thing or two. And thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye!